Alright guys, glad you could join me. I got something here for you guys that had maybe an issue with your windows not opening. This is a disassembled window switch out of the XJS V12. And what I'm going to be trying to do today is clean up some of this corrosion that's on these contacts, as you can see. Okay, let me reposition this for you. All this is how I found it, so I'm going to give this a good clean and see if I'm getting power to the switch, and hopefully I have operational windows by the end of this. So you can see the bottom right one is really burned looking. So, all right. See how loose that is? That is a problem. We got the window working, thankfully, but the issue remains that this window, the glass itself, is very loose on its track. So you're gonna join me today on removing the door card, gaining access to the regulator, and we're gonna go through and tightening it up. I'm told it's very easy to do, and I'm hoping I don't have any issues on the way there. So, all right, let's get this going. Start off by removing Phillips screws found here, over here, and that is it for now. All right, you don't have to remove this, but just make sure it's loose. You're gonna peel back this chrome trim piece here. You're not gonna be able to spare the leather too much after repeatedly doing this. And it's gonna expose a nut back there. Go ahead and remove that. All right, you got some wires here you need to undo. That's for the puddle light. Okay, just take a little video here to make sure you know which ones are which, where they go. Okay, you're good to go, you're almost there. Now to remove the door card, you have to lift the door card up. There are hooks that go in there. Just pop it up, you're good to go. And now you have access completely to mechanisms. It'd be a good idea to get in here and start, lubricating things. These screws look pretty old. All right, but I don't see much rust, which is good. We're gonna try to bring this back to life a little bit. I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna apply some grease to, and we go from there. All right, first thing I wanna do, loosen up this top nut here. Loosen up this 5/16 hex head here. And once you loosen those, you'll notice that the arm can now kind of swing between left and right. What I'm gonna find out is which side is the one that applies tension to keep the window nice and taut, and then I'll get back to you. But I'm guessing it's to the right, because if you look here, when I go to the right, it brings that arm closer to the window. So that's what I'm more than likely guessing is the direction I need to tighten it in. So far it's been successful. You wanna find a sweet spot with this bottom bolt here. So you don't wanna put it all the way to the right where it becomes too tight and you hear that window motor kind of overworking itself. So I found a sweet spot. It's nice and tight where it should be. All right guys, so what you want to do now for the final part of it, once you've adjusted your window rail, go ahead and apply some lithium grease to this gear here, okay, which is this, only to this gear. Then you apply the silicone spray to the felt channels on both sides down here, all the way down to this channel here that goes across to there. The difference between silicone spray and lithium grease is very thick, and it also will attract dust and grime and particulates when you leave the window down. That'll gum up these channels, and it'll make it even impossible for the mechanism to work properly. So you want to go ahead and use that silicone spray for that aspect on the felt channels and the white lithium grease on the gears. Now, let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, that's good. We have fixed it. I don't see this giving me any issues for a while. Mission complete, put it all back.